Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Anybody new to the channel, my name is Chris, and in this video we're going to talk about Palantir Technologies Stock. Now this past week, Palantir has had probably one of the most volatile weeks it's had since it first started trading publicly on the stock market. So in this video, I kind of want to update you guys as Palantir Technologies shareholders to what exactly is making this stock so volatile and why you should not worry about Palantir as of now. Yes, a lot of analysts did become bearish, but at the same time, a lot of analysts did become bullish on this company. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys my updated price prediction. So stick around to the end of the video to get my full analysis on this company. And again, in my channel, I like to give you guys the most up-to-date information that I possibly could find. So I hope you stay tuned to everything and find this video valuable. And if you do, please remember to smash the like button. All right, guys, so let's get started with this video. So Palantir Technologies is one of these big software tech companies that specializes in analyzing data and analytics. And right now, after hours, Palantir Technologies is trading at $25.87. You can see they did have a pretty good day, going up 2.89% during market open and 0.66% after market close. And if we look at this past week, you can see how volatile this company really has been, especially on Friday, January 15, market open, when it reached its high $27.78. It still hasn't reached its all-time high of $33.50, but it's still kind of there. Now, many people have been wondering, why has this company been so volatile? And one of the biggest things, guys, is this. Palantir was downgraded to sell by Citigroup. They did have a neutral rating before with a price target of $10. But since then, they downgraded to sell, but still up their price target to $15. They stated that after a 150% rise in the stock since they started trading publicly, they feel that this company has become vulnerable heading into 2021. And they see risk around the laping of COVID-19 related contracts, which have the potential to become headwinds in 2H21 into 2022. They've also even flagged some of the stuff and commercial use of their business. Okay, so this was a lot of big concerns for Palantir when they did downgrade the rating, sending the stock down 6%. Okay, but now that it's the end of the week, this stock, Palantir, has been rising. So many people have been wondering what exactly is going on. Yes, Citigroup is one of these big banks that did downgrade them. But why is Palantir stock up today? One of the biggest things is that even though Citigroup did downgrade them, and they are really well known, there are other analysts that believe this company still has potential. For example, Jefferies analyst Brent Thiel reiterated his buy rating and raised the stock price from $18 to $30. Okay, Palantir is trading around that price, so you still see some margins and room for improvement for this company. He believes that behind his price target, his assumption that Palantir will extract 81 to 82% gross profit from sales of $1.4 billion in 2021 and $1.8 billion in 2022. So Palantir could actually make those profits of 81% to 82% from the 1.4 and the 1.8 with the next couple years. Palantir Technologies will be in great shape. And one thing that shareholders really have to understand is this: you should not worry about Palantir or worry about their contracts. Yes, Palantir Technologies has been huge with COVID-19, basically helping a lot of analytics and data and tracking with COVID cases. But just last month, the US Army re-upped with Palantir on data analytics contract first awarded in December 2019. Okay, so they did have a 4-year contract with the US Army with 1 year locked in and 3 years optional, and they just renewed their second year, basically making $114 million with that contract, with still 2 other years of options. Okay, so that's big. And they also, just 2 days after that, the UK signed a $31.5 million 2-year contract with Palantir, okay, to provide services at the National Health Center. And barely a week later, the company also scored a $22.5 million contract with the Japan's health service as well. Okay, so even though a lot of people are worried about Palantir's Technologies contracts and whether a lot of companies will start to actually renew their contracts, with these contracts at least locked in, Palantir Technologies is not going to go anywhere right now, or for at least the next couple years. So a lot of people should really stop worrying about whether or not these contracts will actually hold up. If the US Army didn't want to renew their contract, they would have never renewed it because they didn't like their services. But obviously they do. And one other huge thing, guys, is that huge investors from Wall Street, not from Wall Street, keep on buying Palantir stock. And one big investor that keeps on buying Palantir stock is Cathie Woods. Now, Cathie Woods, a lot of people should not actually, follow her step by step every single time, because some decisions she makes you may or may not agree or disagree with. But when she first heard of Palantir stock, she posted and bought around 1 million shares of Palantir. That was taking up 0.5% of her weight of this index, the ARK Invest Next Generation Internet ETF. It was 0.5%, which isn't too much weight for this ETF. But since then, has continued to buy around 800,000 more shares and now has upped the weight to 0.77%. Well, whether or not, Cathie Woods is one of these big investors that a lot of people should follow or not, Cathie Woods has been doing something awesome as of 2020. She's gained over 150% returns in year 2020. So she's doing something right. Am I right? So with her buying and at least stacking up more and more shares of Palantir Technologies, that is a pretty good sign. Okay, and remember, Cathie Woods is an investor for the future. So at least she's holding Palantir Technologies stock for the long term. She has 1.9 million shares right now, valued around $48 million. That's a lot of money on a Palantir stock, okay? So when it comes to Palantir stock, guys, a lot of people, they are really worried about these contracts, whether or not they're going to get renewed or not. In my opinion, I really worry about them too much for now, at least. I'm a Palantir Technologies shareholder, and I'm going to continue to up my position or down my position every single chance I get, every single dip that I see. So my Palantir Technologies price prediction, by the end of year 2021, I could easily see this stock hitting $40. Okay, that's my price prediction for this company. I do see some resistance around the $30-$35 mark, but I do believe they will break that resistance and reach $40 by the end of year 2021. This company is a company of the future, and if you're going to hold it long term, you're going to really benefit from it long term. It's one of these tech companies that's still up and coming, but you can see with the amounts of contracts that they have, a lot of people actually do believe in it and the software that they have. When it comes to the volatility, guys, volatility is expected, especially now with this market. So don't really worry about too much about the volatility. Whenever it goes down, me personally, I'm going to continue to buy more shares. Okay, guys, so now it's up to you guys whether or not you want to buy into Palantir stock or either up your position or get more shares into Palantir Technologies. Remember, in my channel, I like to give you guys the most up-to-date information that I possibly can and try to give you guys the most value out of these videos that I possibly can as well. And if it's something you like and do enjoy, want to continue watching more of my videos, please remember you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and smash the like button. Right, guys, that's basically the video. Thank you all for watching all the way through. I really do appreciate the support I've been getting as of late. Hopefully you guys watch my next video, my previous videos. Please take care of one another. Please wear your mask. Be safe out there. And until next time, guys, peace.